Good morning, all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. I'm Shazia. I'm your teacher. We'll begin with math class. Are you ready? Today we will learn counting. Be ready with your files, notebook, sharpened pencil, eraser and colors to study again. Hello my lovely kids. Open your math file and take out page number 23. Today we will do the missing numbers. For that you have to sit properly and take out your sharpened pencil and razor. Shall we start? Now look at the board. To fill the missing number, we have to move in order. So here we have number 61. Which number? Yes, 61. And the next number is missing. Yes? So what comes after 61? Correct, 62. So write here 62. Right here 62. 61, 62, 63 which is written here. And again the next number is missing. So after 63 it's correct 64. So write here 64. 64. Now come to the next row. There is no number. We have to fill it. So move to the next number, that is 62. So what comes before 62? Exactly 61. So write here 61. 61. Now look, 61, 62 and the next number is missing. For that, tell me what comes after 62. Great, 63. So write here 63. After 63, it's 64 which is written here. Have you all done? Now come to the next row. Here we have number 65. Yes? And the next number is missing. To fill it, you have to tell me what comes after 65. Exactly 66. So write here 66. 66. 66. 65, 66, 67. The next number is? Very good, 68. 68. Now move to the next row. There is no number. So move to the next one, that is 66. So what's come before 66? Well said, 65. 65. Before 66, it's 65. 65, 66 and the next number which is missing here. Now tell me what comes after 66? Exactly 67. So write here 67. 67. After 67, it's 68 which is written here. Now move to the next row. Here we have number 65. 5. Yes? And the next number is missing. So after 65 it is? Very good. 66. So write here 66. 65, 66, 67. And the next number is? Very good. 68. 68, 68. Have you all done? Good. Now move to the next row. Here we have number 67 and the next number is missing. To fill it, you have to tell me what comes after 67. Great. 68. 68. 68. 68. Again the next number is missing. So after 68 it is? Well said. 69. 69. 69. After 69 it's 70, which is already written here. Yes? Now move to the last row. You can see there is no number. So move to the next one. Here we have number 68. So what comes before 68? Exactly, 67. So write here 67. Now look, 67, 68, 69, which is written here. So what's come after 69? Excellent, that is 70. 70, 70. Now I have completed my page. Now it's your turn to complete yours. Have you all done? Excellent. Now move to the next page, that is 24. It's an activity time. In this activity, we will fill the missing numbers. What we have to do in filling the missing numbers? We have to move in order to fill the missing number, isn't it? Yes. Now look at the board. Here you can see lots of objects like caterpillar, clothes on string, heart, banner and some bubbles. On these objects you can see some numbers and some empty spaces. Yes, you can see. You have to fill them. Yes, are you ready? Let's start. Here you can see number 1. What's the next number? Speak out. Good. Number 2. Right here, number 2. After 2 it is? Good. Number 3, which is not there. So right here, number 3. After 3, it's number 4, which is here. So we will not try the number 4. So you have to tell me what comes after 4. Great. Number 5. What comes after 5? It's number 5. Right here, number 5. After 5, it's 6, which is already here. So we have to move further. There is no number. We have to fill it. So after 6, it is Correct. Number 7. Number 7. Speak out the next number. Great. Number 8, which is not here. So write here number 8. After 8, it's 9, which is already here. So in this way we have filled the missing numbers. Now we will move to the clothes which are hanging on string. So again we have to fill the counting from 1 to 9. So we will start with number 1. So write here number 1. After 1, it's 2, which you can see here, and again if we move forward there is no number. You have to tell me what comes after 2. Great. Number 3. So write here number 3. 1, 2, 3. After 3 it's exactly number 4. Number 4. After 4 it's 5, which is here. So we will not write number 5. We will move forward. After 5 it is great. Number 6. Right here number 6. After 6 it's 7, which is already here. So jump up to the next number. We have to fill it. So what comes after 7? Exactly number 8. So write here number 8. After 8 it is, speak out. Very good. Number 9. Number 9. Have you all done? Very good. Now move forward. Now we will fill the missing numbers in hearts. What we have to do? We have to fill the numbers from 1 to 9. So we will start with number 1. Right here number 1. Again the next heart is empty. You have to fill it. After 1 it is great. Number 2. After 1 it's number 2. After 2 it's 3, which is already here. So we will move forward. Here you can see no number. It's empty. We have to fill it with the next number. After 3 eights. Great. Number 4. Number 4. After 4 it's 5, and after 5 it's exactly number 6. After 6, what comes after 6? 7, which is already written. Move to the next one. After 7 it's number, speak out. Very good. Number 8. After 8 it's 9. Now we have filled the heart from 1 to 9. Now it's time to fill the banner. You can see some empty spaces. We have to fill them. So here you can see number 1. After 1 it's correct. Number 2. Number 2. Speak out the next number. After 2 it's very good. Number 3. After 3 it's 4. then it's 5, which is already written here. After 6, you have to fill it. There is no number. So, tell me what comes after 5? What comes after 5? Exactly, number 6. Number 6. After 6, it's number, very good, 7. 7. Speak out the next number, that is great, number 8. And after 8, it's number 9, which is already here. Now, you have to move on the bubbles. Now, we will fill the bubbles. So, what we have to do? We have to fill the numbers from 1 to 9. So, we will start with number 1. After 1, it is great, number 2. Then 3, which is already here. After 3 eights, exactly, number 4. One, 2, 3, 4, then 5, you can see here. So, move forward. After 5 eights, great, number 6. And after 6 eights, exactly, number 7. What comes after 7? Yes, 8, which is already here. So, move to the next number, which you have to fill it. Speak out the next number. Exactly, number 9. Did you enjoy this activity? Yes? Now we will do one more activity of counting. Look here. Here you can see dots and some boxes. You have to count the dots and write the number in the given box. Here we have one dot and one is written over here. Here you can see 2 dots, 1, 2 and 2 is here. Now you have to count the rest of them. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Over this box we have counted 3 dots. So you have to write here number 3. Now move to the next box. We have to count the dots, then we will write the correct number. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 4 dots over it. So you have to write here 4 in this given box. Have you done? Now move on. Now count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have 5 dots over this box. So you have to write here number 5. Have you written? Now come to the next one. Now count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Over this box we have 6 dots. So you have to write number 6. Are you enjoying? Yes? Now move forward. Now count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we have 7 dots. So you will write 7 in the given box. Now you have to come forward. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we have 8 dots. So write over here number 8. Now we will count the last one. Start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Over this box we have 9 dots. So write in this box number 9. With this 9 we have completed the whole activity. It was interesting now? Very good. Now listen carefully. Next page, page number 25 is your homework. You have to do it later on. When you complete it, click the picture and send it on the WhatsApp group.